everyone. Welcome to my kitchen here at Señora Martinez. Welcome back. We are here in my kitchen. We sell a lot of fish and chips here. So the recipe is actually one of my chefs. So I am not giving you his recipe. This is my recipe. It's a beer batter and it is delicious. I'm just going to teach you the fish part. You can do with the chip part however you want to. You can go fries or potato chips, whatever it is that you like. But to make good fish and chips, in the bowl we have some cornstarch and flour, a little salt, a little baking powder, and a touch of cayenne pepper. Let's go ahead and mix that up. Here I am warming up just some vegetable oil for frying. And let's go ahead and add, I'm going to make a little hole in the center to add an egg. And we'll probably need about 1.5 beers. We'll see how we do. And the beer should be very, very cold. So let's go ahead and add some fish. And as you see, I've cut little strips out of the fish because I like to make nice small ones for home. Here at the restaurant, we use bigger, beautiful pieces of fish, but it's really up to you. All right, so let's go straight from batter. And I get it as close as I can to the oil, into the oil. When it's time to fish out the fish, go ahead and use either the spatula. Try not to really pierce it. Again, with tongs, you don't want to hurt it. It's so delicate. You see how delicate I'm being with it? Once everything is now good and out of the pan, and has dried off, as you can see, it's really not greasy at all, which means it's a really good batter and my oil was hot enough. I have a little fun newspaper to set it in. Let's go ahead and place the fish in that newspaper as they do traditionally in England. And there you have it, my version of fish and chips.